After the great success of the first Yashoda Skull-Base Endoscopy Summit, we are coming up with the second edition on April 24, 25, 26 of 2026. The venue will be at Yashoda Hospitals, Secunderabad. The workshop will be conducted on imported fresh frozen cadaver heads in a state-of-the-art facility. In India, for the first time, we are going to have navigation assistance or image guidance for all the cadaver heads. We have Dr. Theodore Schwartz from USA, who is a stalwart in adult and pediatric skull-base endoscopy, minimally invasive neurosurgery, and the dynamic Dr. Calvin Mack from Hong Kong as international faculty and course directors. We also have gamut of national faculties who are second to none, who will contribute their knowledge in these 3 days. The first 2 days of the workshop will be dedicated to the Transnasal approach. On the day 1, we'll deal with the Sagittal plane. On the day 2, we'll deal with the Coronal plane. The third day will be dedicated to the Transorbital Approaches. Before each demonstrating session, we will have 3D anatomy sessions for greater understanding. The symposium will have talks, debates, and panel discussions on the skull-base disease-oriented approach. So make use of this opportunity and learn from the best. You seriously don't want to miss this if you are aspiring to become a skull-base endoscopic surgeon.